Okay, YouTube. 1 second. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining me. This is Jimdel-Edu, and this is part 9. Welcome back for part 9. Remember, we're working with advanced dash commenting. This is the name of our main folder, and this is where we left on part 8. Okay, we did create a comment today with an approval, total comment, total pages, and this is part 8. Now this is part 9. Welcome back. Once again, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Now I'm going to display. Let me show you. If we go here, our first page, we have 4 comments. Okay, we have 4 comments. And now I'm going to display everything here. For total comment, we're supposed to get 4, and for total pages, this is our first page. Okay, let me bring this back. Okay, for total pages, we should get 1. We should get 1 because this is our first page. And for today's comment, we're supposed to get 0 because we do not add anything yet. And also, let me show you our database. We have 4 comments. This is the first 4 here. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to display everything grab everything from our database, total number of comments, and hide them here inside of the admin panel. Okay, open your code editor. I want you to go inside of your admin folder and open index.php. Okay, click on it, open it. Now we have remember we have our first PHP. Is our first PHP where we pass include main.php. I want you to go to the next line. Go to the next line, skip 1 line, and this is where I'm going to get get my total number of comments here, and I'm going to select everything from my table name called comment, where I cast them by submit date. Okay, now first thing, let's start coding. I'm going to say statement. Okay, statement equal video prepare single quote. Now this is where I'm going to select everything from my table name comment, and where cast parentheses, where cast by submit date, space, as, like this, date. Okay, remember we said submit date as date, and now, okay, I want you to go after, okay, the closing parenthesis after date, put a space, equal, go to the next line. Okay, after equal, click enter, or we can put it this way. Let me show you. I don't want you to get confused. Let me bring this up like this. Okay, now we say parentheses, we're done with this, and then we say space equal. Now let's bring this to the next line. Okay, this is where I'm going to say cast. Okay, cast, and put it this way. Okay, let me put it this way. Cast parentheses, put now parentheses. Okay, leave it blank, and go here. Let me increase this so that you can see, and put a space, as date. Okay, and go after the closing parenthesis here, put a space, order by submit date, descend it, put it like this, DESC. Okay, we forget Okay. Let me figure it out. We don't have to get, oh, the equal sign. Sorry, guys, caught it. The equal sign should be after the closing. Here, put it here. Okay. Yeah, we move it. Yeah, we say parenthesis submit date as date. Okay, here, and put equal. After equal, go to the next line. Now you put cast now. Okay, parenthesis as date, order by submit date, etc. And put a semicolon here. Now, go to the next line. Here, let's execute our statement. I'm going to say statement execute like this, and put a semicolon. Now go to the next line. I'm going to say call my comment to equal my statement $, and I want to fetch everything, fetch all video, fetch. Okay. Now here what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get the total number of colon. Let me write it down for you. Get the total number of commit. Get the total number of commit. I'm going to use a statement equal video and prepared single quote select for me. Now I'm going to select my count, parentheses, select count everything as now total for me from my table name called comments, and where approved equals 0, and put a semicolon here and go to the next line, and I'm going to execute my statement. I'm going to say statement execute like this. Okay. Now go to the next line. Now let me work out with my everything approval $. I'm going to say everything approval equal my statement, fetch my colon for me, fetch like this, capital C in colon MN. Okay. Now I'm going to, let me skip one line. Now I'm going to get the total, one second, get the total number of commits. Okay. Get the total number of commits. I'm going to use a statement. I'm going to say statement equal PDO. Statement equal PDO prepared single quote. 1 second, select count parentheses everything as total from my table name called comments. Okay, and put a semicolon here, and execute this statement. Say statement execute, put a semicolon. Go to the next line. I'm going to call my comment. Comments now. This time I'm going to say comments total equals statement fetch. Now fetch colon. Okay. Let me put it like this. Okay. Now I'm going to get 1 second. Get the total. Get the total number of comments. I'm going to say statement equal video prepared single quote select. Now this is the third time. 1, 2, and count. Now at this time, and I'm going to count my page ID underscore ID, and go after the closing as total from my table name called comments, and I'm going to group them. Group by page ID, and put a semicolon here, and go to the next line, and I have to execute that statement. Statement execute. Okay, go to the next line. I'm going to call my comment. At this time, my comment page total. Now this is where I'm going to get my comment straight total. I want to display all my total comments instead of my admin panel. Comment page total equals statement fetch. Okay, comment page total statement equals statement fetch all video fetch association, like this. Go to the next line. Comment page total equal. Now I'm going to not after getting all my comment page total. Now I'm going to count them. Count parentheses. Okay. Count my comment page total. And now go to the next line. Now what I'm going to do here, now I'm going to get, okay, the comment awaiting approval now. Okay, and for this I'm going to use a statement. I'm going to say statement equal $ video prepared single quote, and select from my table name comment where approved equals 0 and order by my submit date. Okay. Put a descendant right here. Okay. And put a semicolon here. Now, I want you to go to the next line. Go to the next line. You have to execute that statement. $sign statement. Statement execute. Then execute that statement and go to the next line. I'm going to say comment. Now I need a comment everything approval. Okay. Now I say comment everything approval equal my statement. Okay, I call my statement here because I want to select everything from my table comment and pass it over here and call my statement and fetch, look, check for every fetch all PDO. Okay, and this is our last block of code. Okay, this is our last block of code. Now what we are going to do, let's save everything. Click on file, save all, and go back to our browser and refresh the page. We have an error. It says call to undefined prepared statement on line 25, index.php, line 25. Oh, okay, here's our error right here. Okay, let's fix it. Put a dash. Okay, and save everything. Save all. Go back, refresh it. 1 second. We have an error called PDO exception. Oh, where is that? Index on line 26. This 26. Statement execute. Statement PDO prepare select everything from select everything from okay, we forget to add something, guys. When we say select, where's everything? We don't add everything. Let me put it right here. This is the sign. Select everything from comment where I put it. Okay, and save. Go save all. Go refresh the page. Oh, 1 second. We have statement. Oh, too many errors. On line 27. It's 27 here. Oh, we forgot to add it. Okay, the T after statement. Oh, and also we have an extra $sign. Yes, it's okay. $sign, it's okay. We have statement T, add T. Maybe I forgot to add it. This is a small c. Yes, it's okay. And save everything. Save all. Go back, refresh it. Okay. Alright, guys, we're good now. Now you cannot see. We have 4 comments. We have 4 comments. To the comments 4. And here's our first page. You cannot see it here. Also, we have 0. We're supposed to get 0. We do not add any comment for today. We're supposed to get 0 here. Everything up we're supposed to get 0. And for total comment, we have 4. Even though we refresh the page, you will see you will not see anything yet. Also for total pages, this is our first page. Oh, man. I always get this. Doing this here. For total pages, we're supposed to get 1. This is our first page. Okay, let's go back to our code. I think you're done with this part. Now try to not get it. You see, I forgot to add T at the end. Also here, that's how you got some error. Go back and figure it out and fix it and refresh. Let's move on. Now, guys, you don't have any output yet. Okay, I want you to scroll down here. Scroll down. We have dashboard. This is a total comment, 2 days comment. And I want you to go here at the end of H3 and click on enter. Okay, go to the next line. This is where I'm going to call everything. First, I'm going to call my 2 days comment, my everything approval, and total comment and total pages. Okay, I first put P and click on tab. Okay, let me increase this, make it this bigger. Okay, here. And for PHP, I'm going to pass PHP, shortcut of PHP, the shortcut version right here, space. This is the closing. Okay, and after here, put the equal sign. Okay, let me show you. Here's how I pass it. Okay, here after the equal sign, I want you to put number underscore format here, and parentheses, $sign. For today's comment, let's put comment here, comment. Okay, and okay, now before that we need something else. Cut this line. Okay, let's cut comment. We have P, the PHP equal sign, number format. Okay, and after number format we need a parentheses. Inside of the parentheses, this is where I'm going to count all my comment. I have to count first. I say count. After count, I add another parentheses, and inside of this parentheses, this is where I'm going to add all my comments. Okay, for today's comment, put comment like this, and bring this closer. Now if you refresh the page, okay, let's refresh the page. The first thing, let's go to file, save all, and go to our browser, refresh the page here. Okay, now for today's comment we have 0 because we do not add anything yet. Now scroll down, let's go to our second header, everything approval. Let me show you here. For everything approval, we're supposed to get 0 as well. Okay, go after H3, click enter, go to the next line. Now put P, click on tab, and open PHP question mark equal sign. Okay, like this, and after the equal sign put number format, same thing, and in the parentheses. Now we need the parentheses, and now this time let's put $sign for everything approval. Put everything approval, everything approval, put everything approval like this, and let's bring this closer. Now save everything, file, save all, go back to our browser and refresh the page. Now, okay, for everything approval got 0, today's comment 0. Now we need a total comment. Remember, we have 4 comments. We're supposed to see 4 here. Let's go back and scroll down. Third block of code here for total comment, and click after go to the next line after the H3 and put P, click on tab, open your shortcut PHP like this, put equal sign and close it. And after the equal sign here, put number format like this, and after the number format put a parentheses. Now this time I put $sign. Now I'm going to put comment total. Okay, we have here comment total, and let's save everything, file, save all, go back to our browser, refresh it. Now we have 4 comments because here we have 4, and inside of our database we have 4 comments, 1 2 3 4, and read it. Okay, now let's go back one more for total pages. Go after H3, click on enter and put P, click on tab, open your shortcut PHP, put equal sign and close it. At the same thing, I want to put a number format, and parentheses, $sign. Now let's put comment total. Okay, oh no, sorry, we put that for pages, now we need we finish with this is comment total. Now this is a total pages. Now okay, let's cut this. Instead of comment total, let's put comment page total here. Okay, comment page total, and let's save everything, file, save all, and go back to our browser and refresh it. Okay, now we have one, and because this is our first page, This is what we have run. Okay, now for today's comment, let's try to add one more comment to see if we're gonna read it. To see instead of 0 we got 1 here, and let's go back here and click on write comment. Put any name. Put code 1. I'm going to say okay. Okay, thank you for sharing. Okay, and here for URL, we already got some here. I click on one and click on okay, that's fine. Thank you for sharing. And I click on okay. I vote here. I can, okay, let me reply. Put me here. And so okay, this is what I say, so nice to you. And I put my icon and click on okay, here's me. Okay, thank you for sharing and so nice to you. Okay, now let's go to inside our database and refresh the page to see if we got 4, supposed to get more. Refresh it. Okay, now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and let's go back inside of our admin panel and refresh the page. We're supposed to get for today 2. Okay, we have 2, and for total, refresh here, we have 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we're supposed to get it inside of our admin panel, and we have 6 here. Total comment 6. Okay, and this is it, guys. Let's go back. Okay, this is it. So far we got something for part 9, and this is where I'm going to start for part 9, and take your time to code it. If you got any errors, let me know in the comment below, and I will glad to help you out with that. If you are new, once again, and don't forget to subscribe, and for my old friend, don't forget to share this tutorial. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining once again for part 9. See you for part 10. Thank you. Bye bye.